Good morning from Master Trust and welcome to Thursday's trading session at Dalal Street dated the 4th of July 2024. The US market is closed today on account of Independence Day. US Dow Jones fell 0.06%, settling the day at 39,308 while Nasdaq ended the session at 18,188.30, rising 0.88%. In Asian market, Nikkei is trading at 40,656.40 and Hang Seng is trading at 18,058.87. GIFT Nifty is currently trading at 24,457, indicating a gap-up start for the Indian market. FII bought 5,483.63 crore in the cash market in the last trading session. RBI Governor urges banks to step up efforts against mule accounts. The India SME Forum has urged the government to allocate a dedicated fund of 5,000 crore rupees for the development, promotion, and global marketing of MSMEs in the upcoming budget. Now talking about global aspects, the number of people claiming unemployment benefits in the US rose by 4,000 to 238,000. Private businesses in the US added 150,000 workers to their payrolls in June. New orders for US manufactured goods fell by 0.5% from the previous month to $583.1 billion in May. WTI gained 1.3% to $83.88, while Brent rose 1.3% to settle at $87.34 a barrel. The dollar index is trading at 104.96. The US 10-year Treasury yield is at 4.42%, down. Here is a recap of Wednesday's trading session. Indian benchmark indices, Sensex and Nifty, surged to record highs, with Sensex reaching 80,074.30 and Nifty touching 24,309.15. This rally was primarily driven by HDFC Bank, the country's leading private lender, which soared to a new peak amid expectations of an increased weightage in a significant global index. The Sensex climbed over 500 points to close at 79,986.80. While the Nifty gained 0.67%, settled with firm note at 24,286.50. Broadly, sectoral performance remained positive, with the media sector being the only loser of the day. Outlook for the day. In the Nifty index, breaching the 23,800 mark may trigger selling, pushing it towards 23,600 to 23,400 levels. Looking ahead, we expect Nifty to fluctuate between 24,600 and 23,800 in the next session, leaning towards a positive trend. Key technical indicators such as daily and weekly RSI show upward trends above their baselines, reinforcing the bullish sentiment. In Bank Nifty, according to the chart pattern analysis, if Bank Nifty manages to sustain above the 52,800 mark, it is likely to attract buying interest, potentially propelling the index towards levels of 53,400 to 53,600. Conversely, a drop below the 52,600 level could trigger selling pressure, pushing the index towards 51,500 to 51,000 levels. Stocks on radar are Castrol India, Masdaq, Housing and Urban Development Corp, GPPL, Kochi Shipyard. That is all we have for now. For any queries, do visit our website www.mastertrust.co.in. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that stocks mentioned in the podcast are only for educational purpose. Our company or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on stocks mentioned in this podcast.